We'll be tracking a cooler start today, but a big warm-up's going to hit for the rest of this week. We're seeing some pretty quiet conditions behind that cold front. That front is still getting out of the eastern United States, but thankfully that severe threat from that has diminished greatly there, and we're still, again, seeing some pretty clear conditions across much of our area. That has left us pretty cool this morning. You see a lot of this cooler air behind that front right now has got some of these temperatures in the morning feeling like those mid-20s, and we'll expect that for just a little bit, but a warm-up is on the way as we'll see very clear skies all day long here. We'll actually be jumping those temperatures up about 10 degrees from yesterday back into the mid-50s, and it's not really going to hold on too long. That's going to really depend on that sunshine as we get past sundown tonight. Actually going to dip back into those 40s pretty quickly, so maybe a good idea to just hold on to that extra layer today and into a little bit of tomorrow morning as well. We could see temperatures yet again getting back into those 30s, probably staying away from freezing though. Again, this warm-up is going to just kind of steadily warm us these next couple of days. You can already see that into Monday afternoon. We're going to be almost at 60 degrees for Monday, and then going to continue following this, potentially getting close to some records into the middle of the week. By Tuesday, we'll get a little bit more cloud cover that looks to stop us from breaking that record on Tuesday. That is at 70 degrees there for Tuesday and Wednesday, and we're tracking the upper 60s for Tuesday, but there you see into Wednesday. This southerly flow is supposed to continue across all of our area, possibly pushing us into these mid-70s. That is pretty well above average, almost 30 degrees warmer than we should be for mid-December, but not going to last for too long. You actually might need an umbrella while we're still feeling like those mid-70s here. We're going to be tracking a cold front. Out ahead of that, we might get a couple of showers across our region, but mainly going to be focusing on those rain chances into early Thursday as that front passes through. It's going to be a really similar setup to what we saw for this past weekend with this cold front rolling through here. Still got some very clear conditions the next couple of days. This is all the way out until Tuesday, really barely seeing any cloud cover across our area. But as some of these southerly winds continue, it's going to actually fuel in some more moisture that might lead to those clouds on Tuesday afternoon. This is what's actually going to save us probably from breaking that record on Tuesday, and could just see a couple of scattered showers again before that front gets here. This is also by Wednesday still tracking that heavy cloud cover, but those winds are looking to overpower that by that point to push us into the mid-70s, and then that front is going to work with some of those temperatures here to maybe push out some storms across our area, but thankfully it's going to be maybe not moving through at the ideal time for it. We're actually tracking this through pretty early into Thursday morning, so it's not looking like it's going to have as much energy and hopefully not going to be bringing as much of a severe threat to our area. Now, it is going to continue tracking off pretty quickly as we get into the end of the week. By Thursday, by about mid-morning on Thursday, you can see that's already moved into southeastern Missouri and then going to move out pretty quickly, but we're going to be watching some maybe pretty disturbed weather into this weekend, maybe just holding on to those rain chances for the next couple of days past Thursday. That's going to be cooling us back to maybe some of those more normal temperatures for this time of year, but still potentially breaking some records midweek.